Welcome to SEO tutorials for beginners. Today, I'm going to show you guys how you can close the Elementor Accordion kind of by default. I wish there was a way you could set this by default, but this is something I've did for the past year or two, and it still does work. So if Elementor has not created a default button, which I have not seen yet, this is one way that you guys can do it, and I will put the code in the description so you guys can just copy and paste that code. So first, you will want to add an accordion, and then you will need to add an HTML box. From that box, you're going to add this code, and I believe this code is even on the Elementor website. I think that's where I got this from, but you can put this script in here and then put it in that box. And then when you hit save and then you go test it on the page, you will notice not every single time the accordion will be closed, but if you refresh the page, the accordion will be closed. But you can see it's closed right here. And then if you push the button to open the accordion, then you will find the text in that accordion. Now, if you want to use the accordion with multiple different boxes, it still works. Everything is exactly the same. So just go through and put that HTML box above the accordion and put the code in that box, hit save, and then kind of by default, your Elementor accordion should be closed.